Hi everyone, it's Celine with a surprise live. I'm usually only live here on Tuesdays at 3 o'clock, but I had this really cool project and wanted you to be able to see what I was doing. Hey Julie, good to see you. Thanks for joining. Surprise, we have Facebook Live. Hi Cheryl. So Cheryl, along with several other people, have joined my team this month, and Cheryl is getting 200 pieces of designer paper, and I wanted to jump on and show you something that you could quickly do with your new paper. So isn't it cute? And watch, it holds a candy bar, and you just, is it upside down? Oh, it is. Well, whatever. You get the idea. It holds a candy bar. So we're just going to flip the camera. I'm not going to take time to share. Hi, Donna. I'm not going to get distracted. I swear I'm not going to get distracted. So I'll share this over to the Facebook group later so they can see it. But this is just a quick project for you guys on a Friday. Something kind of fun. Hey, Robin. Great to see you. Okay. So here we go. Here's my table. Here is the big stack of 200 sheets of paper. And by the way, there's not 200 in there anymore because I keep using it. But I wanted something that would match this project. So I can pick between the two blues because they're both pretty close. I think I'm going to go with the lighter one. And this one is quick and easy. You ready? So, well, Robin, it's always Tuesday at 3 o'clock-ish, maybe 5 after. Anyway, I'm using a super sticky adhesive today, Stamp and Seal adhesive. And I am just going to go down the side of the entire piece of 6x6. So I don't even need to be able to cut to make this project. And then I am going to put a candy bar, full-size candy bar. I get them on Amazon, and they are like maybe $20-something, $22 maybe, for 36 candy bars on Amazon. Oh, my hair is everywhere. My hairdresser, I went to the hairdresser today for the first time since October, and she said, Celine, your hair is heavier wet than my cat. Anyway, I'm going to pull this. So now that I've got this closed up, I'm going to pull this out, and I'm going to punch a hole. This is so quick and easy. You're going to be like, that's it? Give us more, give us more. But that's the whole idea of this. Just, wow, that was easy. And then what I'm going to do so that I can get this ribbon through the hole is I'm going to cut like a long string. So now my ribbon is easy to thread through the hole, and I'm going to push it through like this. Booyah. That's it. And then I'm going to slide my candy bar back in theory. So don't make your paper too thick when you're doing it, but just hold on to this piece that's not like solided up and push your candy bar back in. Hang on. Oh, sorry, I need to be off camera for 1 second just to get it in there. Okay, so my candy bar's in there. And then when I get to the top, I can tie it off. So just tie the ribbon on top. Doesn't have to be fancy. Just tie it. If you're not a bow person, make a knot. It'll be okay. It'll still slide out. But to go through the hole means that my candy bar is caught in there. So you see the ribbon on the bottom? Easy enough. So when I go to pull it out, it'll pull up. Okay? So I'm going to make the bow look a little better because nobody ties a good bow on the first round. And if you do, well, good for you. I didn't think it was possible. You're welcome. All right. Trim. Trim. Booyah. What do you think of that? So that's the candy bar. And then around here, I put a sentiment. I already put the dimensionals on the back of the sentiment, and I've lost it on my black table. Jeepers. All right, here's another one. Dimensionals. Because I was making a bunch of these, I thought that I would jump on and show you. So we can just put, 9,000 dimensionals on the back of this because that's how I roll. And then if you want, you can even add some ribbon to the front. So let's do that. We'll do the Z, like Zorro. So if you're heading out the door, or if you have teacher gifts that you need to make, this is a lot less fuss. And who doesn't like chocolate? My daughter's gym teacher, that's his favorite thing. He likes chocolate. And I'm like, well, I've been missing the boat trying to, you know, dazzle them with things that weren't food, but who knew? They just want chocolate. Okay, so then we go this way. But maybe that's because I can't do sugar, so that's probably just me. There we go. And then I will add the dimensionals. Booyah. You are amazing. So that's it for today's Wow, That Was Easy. And it was pretty quick. I don't know if you guys can tell me how long the video has been going, but I think it was under 5 minutes. We'll see. But that's it. So it's a quick and easy gift. Now, here's the deal. I already made the card that went with it. So this came out of the Designer Series paper pack, and you can make it out of any 6x6 paper that you have on hand if you want to use up your stash. And like I said, I got the candy bars on Amazon for 22 bucks for 36 of them. Booyah. Happy Friday. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. I love you all dearly. Bye, guys.